Hello guys, and welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to blow rings using vape. Firstly, inhale deeply to draw in a thick, dense cloud of vapor, but keep it in your mouth rather than inhaling into your lungs. Form your mouth into an O shape, like you're about to say O. Keep your tongue toward the back of your mouth, pulling it down to create a pathway for the vapor. Use the light-controlled cough or pulse from the throat. You don't actually cough, but use a similar throat muscle action to push the vapor out in short bursts. Start small, focusing on creating clean rings and releasing them slowly without much force. Just adjust how tight or loose your lips are in the O shape to create thicker or thinner rings. With practice, find the rhythm in time in each cough or push for better consistency, just as you practice to avoid inhaling too much vapor in one go, and experiment with speed and lip movement. Once you're consistent, you can add style by changing the size of number of rings. It takes time to get consistent, so keep practicing and soon you'll be blowing impressive vape rings. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.